So we went to the Makina Motor Show last weekend and we have here their 200 to 250 lineup. So meron tayo dito yung Dual Sport nila, yung parang Honda XR nila, 100,000 Philippine pesos yata yan or 99, something to that effect. And here is the SR, so CF Moto SR 250. So akala ko 150 lang, may SR 250 pala. Okay, so this is around 139,000 Philippine pesos. So malaki siya, medyo malipis, but it's alright. Inupuan ko siya, okay naman. Malaki akong tao. Pero I like this one, 139,000 Philippine pesos. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Para talaga siya yung SR 450, yung aesthetics niya and everything. And here we have the 250NK. Siya yung naked version ng SR. So I believe they have the same specs, pero I think this is cheaper, mga 10,000 pesos cheaper. Not really sure. Hindi kami nasagot agad nung pinagtanungan namin, busy dahil ang dami talagang tao. It was hard to really even get images or videos of it na hindi siksikan, but I hope I did you guys some justice here, or I did the motorcycle some justice. This is a great naked bike. So hindi na 300 yung solid nila na naked. Ito na yon, 250. I think this is better than the 300 kasi of course this is newer.